So, all of us want to have a successful Instagram, but how do you do that from 0 followers? Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. In this video, I will be sharing 5 of my best tips for starting and growing your Instagram. In August of 2016, I started my Instagram account at Crafty Slime Creator, and since I've gained over 800,000 followers, I've been able to start my own business and publish a book. A real, actual book that's in actual stores. So crazy. If you've just started your slime Instagram account or need some helpful tips, this video's for you. Without further ado, let's just jump into the tips. Tip number 1, find your niche. So you've already decided to make an account dedicated to slime, but what makes your account really stand out? Do you make the best sizzly butter slime? Do you make only crunchy slime? Do you have a certain color scheme that fits your page? Find something that makes you stand out, then focus on that, and afterwards you can expand further. Tip number 2, pick a clear Instagram handle. Try to avoid periods and underscores. Stay between 2 to 3 words and make sure one of those words is slime so people know exactly when they see your handle that what you post is slime and they can clearly see and recognize you. Have the other word or words be something that represents you. So for example, there's parakeet slimes. So clearly we can see slimes, she posts slime. And then parakeet is something that Marissa is interested in and it's something that makes her unique. So for me, mine is Crafty Slime Creator. So crafty and creator, I create crafty slime. That's my thing. So make a handle that represents you and whatever you post on your slime account. Tip number 3. Post high quality content. Have good quality video with good audio and lighting. I'm not saying you need a fancy DSLR camera and lighting and etc., a mic, everything like that. No, you don't. All you need is a window, table, iPhone. You're good to go. Next week, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to film Instagram slime videos on your phone. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified when that goes up next Monday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Before I continue, make sure you comment down below what your Instagram handle is and your niche. If you're liking these tips, the very first video in my Instagram how-to series, make sure you like the video and share it with your friends. Now, on to the next tip. Tip number 4, post consistently. At minimum, post twice a week. I post daily and that is what I would recommend because I post in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Or at least I try to post at least 1 to 3 times a day. Make sure you create a posting schedule and let your audience know when you will be releasing content so they can be first to see it. Tip number 5, keep up with trends, but stay genuine. If you see a particular slime becoming really popular, post a video or 2 about it, but don't only post viral slimes. Make sure you remember what your unique account is about, and don't just copy other larger accounts. Be unique and put a spin on new trends. Remember your niche and what is unique to you. So keep that in mind while you're making content that is trendy and viral in the slime community. And those are 5 of my best tips for starting a successful slime Instagram account. Remember, niche, handle, high quality, consistency, and keeping up with trends, but staying genuine to who you are and what you post. Next week in my Instagram how-to series, I will be sharing how I film videos just using my iPhone and how that's taken me from 0 to over 800,000 followers on Instagram. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you can be notified when that goes up. If you want to learn how to make slime, I have hundreds of recipes in my book, Ultimate Slime, that's available in stores and at the link down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating and I will see you all next time. Bye!